Yeah. It's actually kind of nice under here. Don't expose.
Welcome, happy campers. It's me, Amanda, here with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're taking an inside and outside look at this 2023 Grand Design Transcend 247BH. But small reminder, like this video, subscribe to our channel because most of you guys watching are not subscribed, which is okay. You're new here. Just let us know what you need in the comments below and follow our channel so you can get the videos you need. But let's start on the outside of this Transcend. Now, we've already done a review on this floor plan for the 2022 year model, and there hasn't been too many changes other than the solar gauge that they now add in the convenience bay. That's really cool because when you're driving down the road, you can keep that solar on, run the fridge. It's so exciting. More details, definitely check Grand Design's website. But on the outside here, I can imagine hanging out with all of my friends and family, hopefully looking at a beach view or mountains or something. We've got a really nice size awning, plenty of room beside our entryway here, and you can keep your doorway open and have lots of airflow thanks to that screen door. This Transcend has no slides, so if you're looking for something very functional that you could sleep lots of people and not have to pull out all those slides and maybe run solar most of the time, this is a really good option. It also has some good storage in the front with the pass-through storage. Again, that's close to that convenience bay. Our battery disconnect and all of our different lights are there. But I think it's time to step inside the camper. In this camper alone, you can sleep 7 people, possibly more, depending on how close said people are. So we have 2 here on this rollover sofa, which is enough room. And then 1 in the dinette that also is a sleeping space. I would put 1 there. You can maybe put 2 people. And then we have our bunks here in the back that you can put 1 on or maybe 2 people. Again, these are doubles, I believe, and Grand Design website has all of those dimensions. And of course, our bedroom has 2 more. So you've got a lot of sleeping space and really not a whole lot of space, a travel trailer. So if you're looking for functionality, especially if you're wanting to have like a hunting situation, if you and your buddies like to go hunting and you need a place to cook, sleep, and have a bathroom, this is a really good opportunity for that. But let's talk about the kitchen. One good thing about this kitchen, it's located right next to your main entrance. So whether you're passing meals through or you keep forgetting things, it's close by. We have a residential size sink that's perfect for all the dishes you need to wash or maybe even pots and pans. You do also have a place to put your pots and pans in a nice deep drawer below your oven. Your oven is a Furrion 3-burner top and it comes with a little splash guard already added into that, so I appreciate that. We have an RV fridge. Again, fridges change often, but this is plenty big to meal prep. If you've got all these people coming with you, you can definitely make some meals beforehand, stick it in there and serve them later. Or you can stick it in the freezer. Our freezer's still pretty big. It has to be bigger than my one at home, probably. Anyway, if you're bringing some serving trays or anything else, an air fryer or maybe even a little griddle, you may have a place to put it up top, but it may also have to go down here in one of our lower cabinets. They do give you plenty of space for trash cans or anything else you need down here. And we even have an extra space down here. And I know you can buy the inserts for either the pet bowls if you got a pet coming with you, or maybe this is where you hold your wine bottles so they don't go moving around while you're traveling. And we even have a little bit extra storage space here. Maybe that's where you put your dog food. Not your dog, the dog food. All of your controls for the camper are located conveniently right inside, so we can open the awning and not have to worry about it. Also, right inside our door is a great place for shoes and extra things you want to keep right before you go outside your door. I love the extra storage and serving space. It's right next to this dinette. This dinette lowers down into a sleeping space. You just use these cushions that are already up here. I love the live wood edge to these. And it's right next to a really big window, which is already a plus. And above that, we have our TV entertainment space. We have a nice TV on a swivel, so we can pull that out and swivel it towards the bunks. Or we can keep it out for the people in the sofa that are just relaxing after a long day to watch some movies or whatever you want to watch. And also in the back, our bunk beds that we talked about already. I like that both of them have their own windows that you can open. Lots of airflow in here. And they each have charging ports, privacy curtains, and their own LED lights. So whoever gets this bed is probably a favorite, probably. But let's move into the bathroom. You get everything you need in this bathroom. We've got a really nice size sink. They gave you a little less on the countertop storage, but there's plenty of wall space if you wanted to add your own towel racks and such like that. They do give you hooks and even places behind or beside our shower here for some of our extra supplies. And they add in a door that squeegees all of the water back into the shower. So we pretty much check all the boxes here, and everyone will be very appreciative for this shower once they come back after all their adventures. So let's check out the bedroom next. Storage in this Transcend starts at the bedroom. So we've got lots of storage under our bed here, and also underneath the sofa and the bunks is extra storage. So if you've got some extra large supplies like fishing poles or anything that you want to take with you, you have a few places to store them. But our bedroom is definitely the best place to sleep. We have 2 wardrobes that have mirrors on the front. They are pretty good for hanging up stuff, and you've got extra storage up top and of course under the bed. But you get charging ports on each side, a small bedside table, and I would love to sleep here, especially after a long day of adventuring. I would definitely prefer this over a bunk bed because you have your privacy and 2 windows and a vent fan in here. So this is a really cool place, and you've got plenty of room to walk around, and you have your own pocket door for privacy. But what do you think of this Transcend? What would you use it for? Leave us a comment below, and if you have any questions, give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine, or visit us online at cookvillerv.com where your adventure awaits.